back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I'm your craft host, Fam, coming to you today real quick with a Dollar General haul. Now, towards the end of each season, they usually mark down, their summer items, winter items, and holiday items, 20, 40, 60%. But right now, they have the summer items clearance out at 90%, and some items are marked down to like $1 if they are $5 or $6 and what have you. But so without further ado, let me just show you some of the things that I picked up. So there's these cute little votive candle holders, and these were actually 90% off. So they were originally $2 each, and it looks like they're lettuce, little heads of lettuce, $2 each. So they were 20 cents each, 40 cents for that pair. Then they had these tumblers. They're actually glass. I got 2 of those, and I figured I can keep these, just wrap them up and put them up for now, and then I could probably apply vinyl on them and then give them away as gifts. But I like the fact that they're glass and not plastic. They're a little dusty because they've been around since the summer. So then there's those. Let me put those off to the side. And then they had these cute little fabric table runners. 13 by 68 inches. And by the way, these tumblers were $2 each as well. So the runner was $6. So it ended up being 60 cents, which I bought these with the purpose. One, it's going to go in Josh's room. And then I think I bought 2. Why can't I find the other? Oh, this one I got for my dad, and I'll probably put his name on it, embroider his name on it, and this one will go in Josh's room. So they're not really thick, but there's a number of things you can do with this. You can use this as a journal cover. You can cut it up and make pillowcases out of it, or make smaller pillows. That when you're a crafter, you can pretty much come up with 1,000 different little things that you can do with items that I think they call it refashioning different things. So, and then they had this cute little velvet backpack. Let's see. So it has a little zipper pouch there. Now this I got for myself. It was $10, so it was marked down to $1. I got this for myself because it's winter's time is coming up, and a lot of times Josh and I are out at fall events, and I don't like to have my purse on me, but I do want to have my keys and my wallet and some cash and maybe some cards, and then likely something of his, whether it's his tablet or something like that. So I thought that would be perfect. And then I can always add like an applique or some type of a patch on here to personalize it, or I could use it as a gift. I can give it away as a gift. Then they also had these placemats. They were $1 each originally, and they were clearanced for 10 cents each. So for 40 cents, I got a place setting of 4 for our deck, and I thought that was a great buy. And that's a good combo for next summer. And then they had these silicone glove, 20 cents, and then also the silicone trivet, 10 cents. And then I saw this for my son. Let me move this other stuff out of the way. I don't know if I'll fit it all on, but this Black Panther book bag, isn't that cute? Now, I don't know if this is necessarily clearance. It happened to be on the clearance table, so she gave it to me for the clearance price of 90% off. But for 80 cents, I got him a Black Panther book bag. Now, y'all know he homeschooled, so he doesn't necessarily need it to carry his books. But, again, outings and things of that nature, sleep over maybe at one of his friends. He never did that yet, but that's soon coming, right? He's 7. It'll happen soon. Nice little slumber party for the boys. And then the last thing I picked up were these stickers. They were on the clearance table as well. So I spent 50 cents, got some cute little stickers, novelty stickers. Of course, I can always add these to some layouts or make this part of activity packs for kids at church. And that's about it, guys. If you have a Dollar General in your area, or just keep an eye out for, you know, like at Family Dollar or your local smaller neighborhood discount store. Right now is when they're trying to get rid of everything to make sure that they have room for the Christmas stuff. So keep an eye out, head on out, take advantage of those deals, and always think what else you can use those sale items for. Can you create a housewarming gift with it? You know, is it something you can gift to a friend? And so that's about it. That's all I got for you guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe so that you can be notified of future haul videos. Of course, the standard craft tutorials and DIYs, and until we're back here again together on YouTube, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafty. Bye for now.